You're in the market for a nice low-mile Camaro. Pay attention to this one here at Unique Specialty and Classics 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Of course, the 35th anniversary of the Camaro in '02. And this particular car, one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and confirmed miles at a little over 35,000. Bright rally red with the ebony leather interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. This car is what you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. Appears as you see it in the pictures and video. Of course, the 5.7 liter tried and true power plant underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Check out the underside pictures of this car, folks. Check out the trunk, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the original wheels. Also comes with the window sticker. So within the still pictures on our website, you'll be able to see the window sticker if you're looking at the exact options. It does have the preferred convertible equipment group, CD changer in the trunk, sport appearance package, as you can see from the exterior treatments to this car, and also 323 rear end gears, by the way. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It does come with the holder for the three pieces for the parade boot, convertible top cover. Those three pieces right there, they go in that vinyl container over there. It does come with that. And then also there are some showroom brochures, owner's manual, owner's VCR tape that would have came with this back in '02. So some nice kind of paraphernalia or memorabilia that will go along with it also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can see this car is really free of much of any nicks, chips, dings, scratches up and down either passenger side. Yes, you're going to have a few of the very small spots up on the front just from driving it. It does have a little over 35,000 miles on it. Interior, extremely nice shape. We're going to run the top up here at the end of this video too, so you can check that out. It's white vinyl, nice shape, power top, and is in working order. You're also going to be able to see the RPO codes in with the still pictures. Of course, power windows, locks, mirror, power driver's seat, and yes, take a look at how it's worn. Just what you'd expect from a low mile car. Doesn't show really any wear at all. You have any leather seats, of course, steering wheel controls, AM FM CD player and dash, and then you also have that changer in the trunk. AC did blow cold, of course, tilt and cruise. All the modern amenities you're going to have on a nicely equipped '02 Camaro. And again, take a look at the window sticker in with the still pictures. It's going to tell you the exact options that this car was built with. Alright, let's check out the exact miles. It was 35,000, there you go, or excuse me, 33, so a little over 33,000. I said 35,000 earlier, I apologize. 33,963. Dash, all in nice shape. Not weather checked, cracked, showing any sort of age until this car was definitely stored indoors. Especially looking at that rally red paint, it is not oxidized. And best of all too, no major modifications that I can see to this. No crazy over the top exhaust. Still running that stock 5.7 liter underneath the hood. I believe about 310 horse back in '02. Good reliable power plant, and then an overdrive automatic transmission. All right, I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay. We'll check out that top and wrap up this video.
Hey, Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the engine bay. Again, what you'd expect. Look how clean the underside of that hood is. Nice and tidy, no corrosion. You can tell this thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Once again, 5.7 liter, power steering, power brakes, AC, and again, from what I can see, completely stock. No major modifications there. All right, one last thing. Close that up, shut it off, get the top up for you to check out. We'll wrap this up. And here's the top up. Again, white vinyl. As you can see, fits nice and tight above the windshield. Power top, works fine. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Free of rips, tears, holes, rear glass window. That does have the rear defogger in it, as you can see. Check out the passenger side. And these are, these are some wrinkles and from just being folded up that get it out in the sun, it heats up, then it'll actually stretch out, but in fine shape. Going to keep you dry or the sun off your back, whatever the reason may be that you need to put it up. There you go, 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible. A little over 33,000 miles on it is all. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.